Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel Electric Shop. Today I am going to show you an interesting project that is obviously you are going to enjoy it. It is nothing but an emergency DC light with brightness control. Let's check the brightness. You can see enough brightness, and you can also adjust your brightness level by rotating this regulator. This is 10K port. As you can see, I have given a good shape. This is good looking. This is also rechargeable. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, we have to determine at maximum brightness level what will be the current rating of LED that will not cause to overheat. I have observed that at 760 milliampere, my LED remains well with maximum brightness. So with gain factor of this transistor to drive 760 milliampere at 4.2 volt, minimum resistance on base should be 320 ohm. Mind it, for your LED it could be different. This part is for soldering. I will connect 320 ohm resistor at the base of the transistor, and another leg will connect to the midpoint of the variable port. The right leg of the variable port will connect to the negative, and left leg of the variable port will connect to the positive. Transistor emitter and right leg of the port will be connected for negative, and LED positive and left leg of the port will be common for positive. Here in this cage is the LED positive and this is the variable port positive. This positive will be common, and LED negative will connect to the collector of the transistor. Now connecting battery positive terminal, negative terminal. This is working nicely. I can adjust brightness level by regulating the variable port. Here is forward calculation of the transistor. The voltage drop between the collector to emitter 0.85 and LED taking 0.76 ampere. So by multiplying voltage and ampere we get 0.65, near about 1 watt. This transistor can easily absorb 1 watt. So you can use heatsink. It's up to you. Thanks for watching.